Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and I'm here today to talk about Shine 24 karat gold rolling papers. Yep, really. But before I do that, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, I first discovered this product, Shine 24 karat gold rolling papers, in a monthly subscription box I get called the MonthLeaf box. And there'll be a link in the comments below to my review about that box, but it's actually, out of all the boxes I've tried, subscription boxes, this is by far the best one. And it was filled with lots of great products that we really enjoyed. And one of them, though, was this product. And I gotta admit, when we saw this, my friends and I just thought it was the dumbest thing we have ever heard. 24 karat gold rolling papers. Why? So we went to the Shine website, and their marketing really didn't convince us. Why? I mean, it was filled with things like how you were just going to be the hippest person at your party with your 24 karat gold joint, and how 2 Chainz uses them, and he endorses them. Well, that didn't convince us, and we still thought it was the dumbest thing we ever heard. And we had a great time just laughing and making fun of this product. We rolled a joint with it, and we put it in the mouth of all kind of little figurines around the house and laughed about that and took pictures. We took pictures of ourselves with the joint and laughed like, is that Richard or is that 2 Chainz? I can't really tell. So we were really making fun of these papers until we sparked that joint up. And as we were smoking it, we realized that, wow, these really were good rolling papers. Why? Because, one, they did not run at all, which is great. And this was just a quickly hand-rolled joint, and it didn't run at all. The end of it just did not get slimy at all, even all the way down to the end. It was nice. And also it had no flavor at all. So you really got to enjoy the flavor of the weed. Now, am I going to run out and buy these? Probably not. I don't have enough money that I'm going to spend about $11 a piece on a rolling paper. But it would be kind of a unique conversation starter gift for the stoner who has everything for a special occasion or something like that. But the bottom line is we kind of had to eat our words of making fun of it. Yes, it's still an extreme extravagance for sure. These are made with edible gold, rolled into a natural, I believe it's a hemp paper, I'm not sure of the paper, but they are coated in 24 karat edible gold. But I've got to say, as a rolling paper, they function exceptionally well. Probably the best burning joint I have ever smoked. So check them out, Shine 24 karat gold rolling papers, if you have money to burn or you want a really special, unique gift.